Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel link for your WhatsApp status. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So for this to work, you will need to have WhatsApp business. So as you can see, there are two WhatsApp on my phone right now. So I will simply go ahead and click on WhatsApp business. Now we'll wait for it to load because there is some delay between the phone and the screen mirroring. Now once you are here, you need to click on updates and you need to have your own channel. If you don't know how to create your own channel, I have made a separate video for it. You can go ahead and have a look at it. So here I have already created my channel. So I will click on my channel and I will wait for it to load again and again click on the top of my channel. And here all you have to do is you need to go over here, invite via link. So I will press on that, and as you can see there is this second option which is called as share to my status. So I have clicked on it and this is the pre-populated one, is basically inviting to my WhatsApp channel. Now we want to go ahead and remove this, and instead of whatsapp.com we will type www.youtube.com/, your channel link. So basically this is my channel link, and here you can write on YouTube and simply click on send. Now if we go back and click on my profile picture and check the status, so as you can see there is a link, what's YouTube link that is generated. So people can actually see it if you have a lot of following, or maybe normally other people can also see this, and then simply click on that link and then you can get more subscribers. So this is one of the best ways to get organic subscriber to your YouTube channel. And in still in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.